Guys, get ready. I just found a channel that makes $9,000 a month with no special skills, just AI tools. And here's the amazing thing. It does it in the simplest way possible. They make videos that take less than a few minutes to produce, but the results are amazing. Let's take a look at the statistics of this channel: 24,000 subscribers and 5 million total views. Yes, millions. But that's just the beginning. When I checked their videos for popularity, I realized that almost all of their content has millions of views. I spent 24 hours checking out this channel, and what I found really changed the world of content creation for me. They use AI in a way that I've never seen before, and here we are. Today I'm going to show you how you can recreate their most viral videos in just a few minutes. While other YouTubers spend weeks researching, filming, and editing, you can produce these videos in just a few minutes, with no experience. I know it might sound impossible, but wait a minute. This is a video I made in just 10 minutes, and in terms of quality and views, it's right up there with the viral videos on this channel.
The kitten looks out the window, her big eyes filled with tears. Dialogue. "Why doesn't mommy love me?" she whispers. The mother cat enters, scolding her for breaking a vase. In a house full of love, little Luna felt alone. Luna packs her belongings, leaving a note behind. Hurt and confused, Luna decided to find a place where she belonged. Luna wanders through the forest, meeting a kind squirrel. "Are you lost? Here, have this nut." Kindness found Luna when she least expected it. A shadowy figure watches Luna sleep in the tree hollow. Suspenseful music plays, but the forest wasn't as safe as it seemed.
Log into ChatGPT, and just like me, just say one simple sentence. "I want to make a video like the Smile Cat Story channel. This photo is a sample of one of its videos. Please go ahead and prepare 15 photo prompts and a video script." And in a few seconds, everything will be ready for you. But it's not over yet. Now it's time for the next step, making images and videos without any experience. Let's move on to the next step. Now guys, after ChatGPT has prepared everything for you, log in to Leonardo.ai. This is where the real magic happens. Enter 15 visual prompts into Leonardo one by one. Wait a few seconds, and that's it. Awesome visuals designed exactly for your video are ready. No design skills required, no hours of searching for the right visuals. AI will create everything for you in a few moments. But we're not done yet. Now that the visuals are ready, let's create your perfect video with a simple tool. Let's move on to the next step. Now, guys, after you've created your awesome images in Leonardo, it's time to turn them into a professional video. Log into Runway. Upload all your images one by one. Use the text-to-video or image animation feature. In a matter of minutes, you'll have a professional, engaging video. That means no complicated editing or heavy software required, and you'll have a high-quality, ready-to-publish video in no time. But there's still one important step left. Now it's time for a professional voiceover. Guys, so far we've created our video in Runway, but a video without a proper voiceover looks incomplete. So now it's time to get into the voiceover stage and bring your video to a professional level. Copy the script that ChatGPT has prepared for you and paste it into 11 Labs. Wait a few moments and that's it. In a few seconds, you'll have a completely natural and professional voiceover. You can change the language and accent of the voiceover to suit your audience. If you want your video to look more like a professional documentary or a viral YouTube video, choose an energetic and exciting voiceover. Now that the voiceover is ready, there's just one more step left. How do we put everything together and create the final video? Let's move on to the last step. Now, the final step. Professional video editing in CapCut, guys. We've covered all the steps of video creation so far, from image production with Leonardo to professional voiceover in 11 Labs. Now there's only one thing left: editing the final video and adding professional effects. Editing is a crucial part of YouTube videos. Even if you have great content, your video will be boring and lifeless, and the audience will leave it. This is where CapCut comes in. CapCut is a simple but powerful software for editing YouTube videos. With this program, we can put all the parts of the video together in a professional way and create an attractive and viral content. Creating a project and importing videos. Open CapCut and click Create New Project. Add all the videos you created in Runway to the CapCut timeline. Review each clip to see if they need any minor adjustments. Zoom in on each video to remove the website logo and make the video look clean and professional. If the corners of the video are messed up after zooming, you can use crop and adjust the aspect ratio. Now, to make the video more interesting, add the blur effect to make the background of the video a little more blurred and beautiful. Now it's time to add audio. Add the audio file you created in 11 Labs to the project. Synchronize the audio with the video so that the timing is completely natural and attractive. If the audio and video are not exactly in sync, use split and drag in CapCut to move the audio forward or backward a little. If the background noise of the videos produced in Runway is too loud, you can mute it. Remove the parts where the speaker is not speaking to make the video smoother and more professional. You can use jump cut to make the video look faster and more exciting. Why is this step important? YouTuber MrBeast always emphasizes that your video should not be boring for a single second. Removing silent and slow parts will make the audience stay until the end of the video, and the YouTube algorithm will recommend your video to more people. Add animation and motion effects. Now it's time to add interesting animations to make your video more lively and dynamic. Use motion effects and dynamic zooms to make the video more dynamic and exciting. To do this, go to CapCut Animation section and try the following. Zoom in and zoom out effects to emphasize important parts. Shake effect to add a sense of excitement and speed. Pop and slide effects to display interesting texts on the video. Adding these animations will make your video more interesting than 90% of other videos on YouTube. Without music, your video will be lifeless and boring. Add a catchy background song that matches the mood of your video. Where to find free music? YouTube Audio Library, Pixabay Music Epidemic Sound, if you have a subscription. Use sound effects to add impact. The sound of a thump, click, boom, and swoosh will make your video look more professional and cinematic. After completing all the steps, click Export and choose the quality settings. Resolution, 1080p or 4K. Frame rate, at least 30 FPS, 60 FPS is better. Output format, MP4. Now your video is ready to be published. In less than 10 minutes, you have created a complete professional video that can get millions of views. No professional editing skills required, no audio recording or videography required. Everything is done by AI. A viral and engaging video is ready in less than 10 minutes. Guys, if you liked this method, be sure to like the video and leave your opinion in the comments. If you have any questions, ask. I read all the comments and answer. Stay tuned for more interesting videos in the future, because you are going to learn some amazing things. Until the next video, God bless.